Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Amazing Creation channel. Yes, friends. Today I'm going to produce some beautiful super banana by the grafting processes. Please watch to the end point. You can do at home. And this is the banana flower or banana blossom. I'm now collecting from the banana tree. You can see over here. This is a beautiful method you can do easily at home, and this is the banana flower. This is wonderful, you can do at home very easily. And now I'm collecting the banana blossom here from my garden. And this is a beautiful and natural process you can do at home very easily. And you need some aloe vera plants. Look at this is aloe vera plants. Now I'm collecting from my garden, and this is very important component for this grafting. And you need some soil, and now I'm cleaning the soil, and this is very fertile soil, and I will do the experiment. Please watch to the end point and subscribe to the channel that has been created only for you. These are the potatoes, and you need some onions along with aloe vera, and this is the banana blossom. Now enjoy this video. Now this is ready for the calibration purposes. Now I'll do the calibrations purposes. These are the sugar canned salt you can see over here. Now after that I have mix along with the soil you can see over here. This is the mixing process, and you need a beautiful pot. And I'm collecting pot here, and I will put all the soil into the pot. After that, I will put the banana blossom, banana flower to the pot. You can see in this pot, you can see, look at this. This is the process you have to do at home. Now I'm doing the process. After doing this, you have to cover to with the banana leaves as the I'm showing here in the video. You can do at home very easily. After 45 days, you can see this is the outcome after 45 days. And after a long time back, roots will come out here in the banana blossom. Look at this. This is wonderful and beautiful moment. Now you need to put some water, and here you can see the tree of the banana, and this is beautiful and amazing, and the product will also be very amazing. Look at this, these are the banana, and from my garden you can see over here. You can do at home, and please subscribe to channel.